Good morning, students. Today is Thursday and we are going to start from the poem The Fountain, which is written by James Russell. And we have already done this poem and the explanation part and also the difficult meanings in our previous class when we are in school. Okay, now we are going to start with the question answers. The first question is, how does the fountain look during the day and at night? What does it do? So the answer comes, during the day the fountain looks shiny and at night it appears as white as snow. During daytime it leaps upward and look even more brighter, and at night it waves like flower. So the question number second is, in what mood do you find the fountain throughout the day? The answer is, the fountain is cheerful and content throughout the day. Question number third is, in the fourth stanza of this poem, what sort of nature does the speaker say the fountain has? So the answer is, in the fourth stanza, the speaker says that the fountain never gets tired, it is always happy, it is always in motion and climbs upward. Question number 4 is, what does ceaseless aspiring means? How does the fountain aspire? Ceaseless aspiring means uninterrupted ambition. The fountain aspire to be happy, content and ambitious. Now come to question number 5. What qualities according to the speaker does the fountain naturally have? The answer of this question is, according to the speaker, the fountain is always active, cheerful, changeful and constant. That means it is motionful without moving. Okay, now come to the sixth question. What does the speaker wish for in the last stanza? The answer is, the speaker wishes for a heart and mind which is always fresh, changeful, constant and upward, just like the fountain. Question number 7. Question number 7 is too much big, so be careful and read it by heart. Okay, now the question number 7 is, the fountain is cheerful and at the same time constant, which is the opposite of changeful. Similarly, the fountain is continuously climbing but is never tired. Once again, showing opposite qualities. Find 2 more pair of opposite qualities in stanza 5 and 1 pair each in stanza 6 and 7. So, I have already explained you that this poem is about the character of the fountain which have opposite characters, opposite natures. Okay, so this question is also asking about the opposite qualities of the fountain. So the answer is, 2 pairs of opposing qualities in stanza 5 are upward and downward and B, motion and rest. And 1 pair of opposing qualities in stanza 6 and 7 are change and same, darkness and sunshine. And last but not the least, the question number 8, the speaker shows the unique nature of the fountain by repeatedly pointing out its concentrating qualities. Write a few lines explaining this point. So the answer is, the poet says that the fountain is constant and at the same time it is changeful too. It never gets tired even though it is always moving. So all students, I am requesting you to do all these question and answer neatly and nicely with a good handwriting in your text copy of English. First of all, write down the heading of the poem, the poet name and date also. Okay? Goodbye for